Imagine taking advice from one of the world's greatest investors every time you get paid. Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha, has shared countless nuggets of wisdom on how to manage money effectively. In today's video, we'll dive into 8 actionable steps inspired by Buffett's principles that you can apply to your finances every payday. Step 1. Pay yourself first. Buffett always emphasizes the importance of saving before you start spending. He believes you should not save what is left, but spend what is left after saving. This requires a mindset shift on how we view money, but the idea is simple. Before you pay your bills, before you treat yourself, set aside a portion of your income for savings or investments. Instead of treating savings as an afterthought, Buffett urges us to make saving a priority. No matter how much we earn, setting aside a portion of our income for savings should be non-negotiable. This way, you're building your wealth consistently, no matter what. The practical application of this principle begins with setting up an automatic transfer of a specific amount of your income to a separate savings or investment account. This small habit can lead to big financial gains over time. Step 2. Create an emergency fund. Warren Buffett is a firm believer in financial security. Life is unpredictable. Unexpected events like losing a job, facing a health emergency, or dealing with sudden car repairs can cause a huge strain on our finances. A well-established rainy day fund acts as a financial shield, protecting us from unexpected financial shocks. Start small by saving enough to cover 1 month's living expense, and gradually build your emergency fund to sustain you for at least 6 months. This cushion will give you peace of mind and keep you from dipping into your savings or going into debt when the unexpected happens. Step 3. Invest in yourself. Warren Buffett famously said, "The best investment you can make is in yourself." Whether it's learning a new skill, improving your knowledge, or taking care of your health, investing in yourself is key to long-term success. Allocate a portion of your income to personal development. This could mean enrolling in a course, buying a book, or attending seminars. The return on investment here is immeasurable. Step 4. Pay off high-interest debt. Try avoiding debt, especially the kind that accumulates high interest. Buffett offers a straightforward piece of advice when it comes to debt. If you find yourself in a hole, the first thing to do is stop digging. The longer you hold on to this debt, the more it eats away at your wealth. This is why it's urgent that you break free from the grip of debt. Start by listing all your debts, then prioritize paying off those with the highest interest rates first. This is known as the debt avalanche method. This helps you to save on interest payments over time. The debt snowball method is an alternative strategy where you pay off the smallest debt first. This quick win encourages you to move forward to the next debt. Once your debts are out the way, you'll have more money to save and invest. Speaking to a financial advisor will be able to advise on the best strategies based on your personal circumstance. Achieving freedom from debt is not just about financial independence, but also about relieving the constant stress that debt brings. Step 5. Invest in low-cost index funds. Buffett recommends that you dedicate a percentage of your income to investing. He's an advocate of long-term investing. He captures this idea with the quote, "Someone is sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago." Investing is akin to planting seeds for future prosperity, harnessing the power of compounding to grow your wealth over time. Buffett recommends investing in low-cost index funds, particularly for those who are not professional investors. These funds offer broad market exposure and are a great way to grow your wealth steadily over time. Step 6. Create a spending plan. Creating a spending plan helps to keep you on track towards your financial goals. A spending plan ensures that your resources are allocated wisely, helping you resist the temptation of impulsive purchases that can derail your progress. Strive to maintain a balance between meeting your needs and fulfilling your desires. Flexibility is crucial, allowing you to adjust your plan as your circumstances change. Step 7. Reinvest your profits. Warren Buffett doesn't just take profits. he reinvests them. Reinvesting your earnings allows your money to compound, which is a powerful way to build wealth over time. Whether it's dividends from stocks or profits from a side business, reinvesting rather than spending can help you reach your financial goals faster. Step 8. Focus on long-term goals. Buffett's success is largely due to his long-term investment strategy. He's not interested in quick wins, he's in it for the long haul. Regularly review your financial goals and stay committed to them. Patience and persistence are key when it comes to building lasting wealth. These 8 steps, inspired by Warren Buffett, can guide you toward a more secure and prosperous financial future. Start applying them the next time you get paid, and watch your financial situation improve over time. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, your financial journey is a marathon, not a sprint. Take it one step at a time.